Today is Monday, May 8th. This is the 1977-78 two-year Cadillac body filler extensions. This is for my friend Doug in Minnesota. These will be shipping out as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. The 77-78 variants are slightly different from the 76, as the quarter panel tail light extensions in 77 and 78 provide the braking lights, and therefore the horizontal fillers that go in between the deck lid of the trunk and the rear bumper are solid, and they don't have the rectangular cutout to facilitate the brake lights like 75 and 76 does. So that's basically the difference between the 4 years ranging from 75 through 78, whereas 77 and 78 have solid horizontal bumper to deck lid extensions, and 75 and 76 have the tail light cutouts. So this is a complete front and rear extension set. I've been manufacturing these for 20 years, started developing them for my own Eldorados, of which I own 7 in my private collection. And this is made from a thermosetting polymer epoxy using a unsaturated thixotropic resin that gives us a hard shell finish. And that hard shell finish, provides for exceptional matchability of the paint surface to the steel body of the quarter panel or front fender extension. Whereas a malleable surface that doesn't have that hard shell finish would model or shade in the colorizing very shortly after being painted. Even if being painted at the same time as the entire car, you wind up getting shade modeling, differentiating between the substrate surfaces of the steel body and the filler extensions. So with these hard shell coated filler extensions, which I provide, we have high matchability to the color of the original General Motors paint coat. Okay, this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, and of course these beautiful filler extensions. Today is Monday, May 8th. Thank you very kindly. This is George in Florida.